So you guys are probably wondering, Ken, what you been up to? Well, today I created a natural smoky eye, and it's more of a softer smoky eye. If you're interested on how I achieve my look today, just keep on watching. And if you haven't already, stop what you're doing and hit that subscribe button to become a part of my family. Also, leave comments below on what you guys want to see next. And here's the palette. I just purchased it from my local, Ulta, I think. And it has so many pretty different colors in it. And you can do so many different looks with it. As well, if you want to purchase the wig that I'm wearing right now, you can check the link below. It's the wig that I've created with RPG Show. And it is a full frontal wig. I don't have it glued down right now, but you still can wear it not glued down. I'm gonna stop rambling and stop talking. Okay, so now I'm going to take that dark brown color in this name Punk in the Urban Decay palette, and I'm going to just place that all over my lids for my lid color. Now I'm going to go back in that same palette, and I'm going to take Riff, and I'm going to put that above the crease. Now I'm just going to line the bottom of my eye with the Punk color from the palette. Now I'm just going to use this white liner pencil from NYX to give myself a more bolder look. And I'm just going to line my eyes. I'm just taking this liner pencil by e.l.f. and I'm just going to wing out my eye. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Leave comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one.